Hi everybody, word today is outdoor. Trying something new again. What I got going on here is what I'm calling smoked muffin pan chicken wrapped in bacon. I'll go kind of quick here. Basically, muffin pan, pat of butter. Trimmed up some chicken thighs, the best part of the bird. Chicken thigh meat, yardbird rub. I'm sorry, before that I put a slice of bacon across each tin, each cup. Put the chicken in, slice of onion, another chunk of red bell pepper, some black crushed pepper, another piece of chicken, more yardbird rub, and then fold bacon over on top of it. So that's where we're at right now. Use the old thermopen to make sure the chicken's done, and at this point I'm going to try to transfer them onto the grill. Let's see how this works out. Just to finish off the bacon. Get them out of the pan, over the fire. I got some cheese left over here. I'm going to look at the water and bacon fat, so that'll be awesome for bacon and it's fun. There you have it. Muffin pan chicken. I love grilling. See you tomorrow.